So when the movie Bullet Train came out in 2022, it showed an adventure that started in Shinagawa Station and went all the way to Kyoto. While I have taken the bullet train from Shinagawa Station before, today I will be catching the train from Shin Yokohama Station and heading out to Shin Osaka Station, where I'm going to stay for a couple days as I visit areas in Japan. The main thing that you should know about Japan's bullet train is that it's actually called the Shinkansen. The Shinkansens in Japan are operated by the Japan Railways, or JR, which means you can use a JR pass to travel on most JR lines, including the Shinkansen, for one flat fee, which is what I did. Japan had the world's first high-speed railways, and they've dated back to 1964. While they aren't currently the fastest high-speed lines in the world, most Shinkansens operate at a maximum speed of 186 miles per hour, or 300 kilometers per hour. Each train has 731 seats and 32 electric induction motors, driving close to 13,000 horsepower. Here it comes, here it comes, here it comes. Once on the train, you can put your luggage on the rail above the seats. But I think mine was a little too big. What do you think? Luckily for me, they had some storage areas where I could store my luggage. When I looked at the map of the train, I got excited to start exploring. Here's the toilet as well as the sink to wash your hands. It's pretty impressive how clean everything is. Hey look, another clean toilet. I guess they have problems with how people use the toilets here, so there's a picture showing you the correct way to sit. Remember, make sure you don't Spider-Man pose on the toilet. They even have an area on the train where you can stand and smoke. Ugh, it stinks in here. I better get back to my seat because the attendant is coming around with food and drinks that I can purchase. I didn't end up getting anything, so it's time to do some more exploring. Here is the first class cabin. Overall, not too big of a difference. The seats are a little bit cozier, and they have a footrest. Hey kids, look, it's Mount Fuji. Honestly, if you thought Mount Fuji was cool, behind this locked door is something even more amazing. Look at this. Well, I know where I'm going to be spending my 2-hour train ride. Look at the size of this bathroom. An hour and a half later, I ended up making my way to the back of the train, and it looked like every other car, so I was a little bit disappointed. We finally got to our destination at Osaka Station, so it's time to get off. I hope you enjoyed this quick look at the Shinkansen. That's all for now. See you guys next time.
Like and subscribe!